Here we're going to be making a batch of Diggy's beans. Here we got some fresh picked bush beans. Pulled them off the plant about 20 minutes ago. Some cloves of garlic, fresh oregano, chopped onions, garlic salt, olive oil, and some basil. So here we go making Diggy's beans. You're going to need a sharp knife, always a sharp knife. This is just used as a touch-up. Nice fresh edge. And we're going to start with the beans. We don't need the tips of the beans, so we're going to lose the tips of the beans. These don't go in the garbage. They go back in the garden. Now we got our beans. We don't really want the heavy branches of the oregano. Where does the heavy branch go of the oregano? Back in the garden. Light branch, the oregano, that's okay in my book. I use a wooden chopping board. Wood is antimicrobial, naturally antimicrobial. Plastic is not. Plastic has lots of crevices from the cutting operations that don't necessarily get cleaned out, and you can have a culture growing in there. This particular one is cracked a few times, and I've actually sawed it up and glued it back together. There's the oregano. And we gotta come over to the drawer and get what I call the garlic roller. And yes, they do work. Peeled garlic. Please, bring it in. Hard to get that. we're ready to cook some beans. I did weigh the beans. Got 4 ounces of beans. Probably can't see that there, but we have 4 ounces of beans. We have a bit of olive oil in the pan. We're going to take our beans. Let's get some fire going here. Heating up the pan. We're going to take our beans and when the oil's ready, we're going to preheat our beans for 45 seconds. But first, we have to wait on the oil. Getting some good heat in there. Let's come up to the microwave. It actually might not be 45 seconds. I'm going to wait till I hear that the beans are starting to get hot. There's 15 seconds. There's some popping going on. And there you can see how much time went by. Got to get the cover down. Beans in the pan. Stuff in the pan. Here we've got the basil, the splash of basil, and the most important ingredient, the garlic. And we'll let that simmer just a bit. We're going to go until the garlic turns brown. No brown garlics yet. Wonderful smell. This will be the first time I have it on video and actually see how long this takes. They're starting to turn. longer. Now we have nice brown garlic. Let's get a good look at what we've got going down in there. Back up on the tripod. Now I'm worried about burning them, moving things around. Here we go. That's the garlic. It has all turned brown. I hope I had the camera at the right angle to see this. You want to get all the juices and everything out of there. And last, just a bit of garlic salt. And we have a serving of Diggy's beans.